What's up, guys? Sunday morning, we're out here at I-64 MX in Grayson, Kentucky, and kind of been waiting for this weekend for a while. Got the camper out, spent the last week getting it out of storage, getting it prepped, and because we didn't use it once last year because of COVID, and so it had been sitting for almost 2 years in storage. I think the Baja Regional Race was the last time we used the camper, so that was summer of 2019, so pretty crazy. So yeah, we got that all ready. We got down here yesterday, and as soon as we got here, we got here at like 3:30. As soon as we got here, it started pouring the rain, and it poured the rain for like 4 straight hours. Really bummed because little man was cooped up inside the camper all evening yesterday, and got colder than I expected last night, so I froze. And we wake up today, and the motocross track, you can see it over there, the sun's popped out now. It's actually looking pretty good. They had most of it, they left most of it sealed up after yesterday's practice, so the water ran off. Straightaways and stuff, they had tilled a little bit, and it soaked up some rain, but they're pushing it off. I think that track's gonna be okay. Over here is the Supercross track, and that's where I was gonna run the RC cars at yesterday evening. Oh man, that sun is awesome, but it's a fresher made track, and so it hadn't settled much yet, and it soaked up the rain like crazy. So don't doubt we'll get to ride it today, but they're gonna delay practice here an hour and try to make the track better for everybody. So big shout out to Tri-State, man, we appreciate that. Oh, the pits actually make it look a little worse than it is. I know I've been telling Weston for a week you're gonna come down here and go camping, and he's gonna ride his Stasic around, and I'm just trying to come to terms with the fact that the inside of the camper is going to be a muddy mess here in a little bit. Got Brandon's bike here. He's supposed to come down a little bit. Obviously my bike, Krista's bike. We were actually pulled up here last night, and so the camper was right here where the truck was, and that put this water hole where we step out of our door. We were right into a water hole. So then we unhooked everything this morning, as far as the generator and stuff, and backed up and got to a pretty dry high spot over there. So but we made a list of about 10 or 15 things that we have forgotten, and that's what this trip was for, because next weekend we're headed to Pro Sport in Winfield, Virginia for the area qualifier, and it's going to be 3 nights of camping, so 3 days of riding. So that we wanted to use this trip to work out all the issues with the camper, and I'm glad we did, because we came up with a list of stuff we need to do to improve the situation for next weekend. He's already shot. Just hanging by a thread.
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, guys. So we're still waiting to go out on the track. It's about 11:30 right now. They've been over there working it for the past 3 or 4 hours, so should be pretty good. Couple straights are a little mushy, but we'll see. But man, the wind came through a little bit ago and just destroyed our awning. Just the canvas part of it, it was already in rough shape, but it just ripped it the rest of the way, so we'll have to get the canvas.
You told me you didn't want any. Hold on, that's hot. I gotta show you something.
See up there, it just took it. Have to get that replaced, but not a big deal because we knew that was on its way out anyway. But I have to tell you guys, if you guys camp, moto camp, or boondock or whatever, these Predator 3500s, I mean, any inverter generator is awesome, but these Predator 3500s are so sweet. You can tell like the GoPro right now is about a foot from the generator, and you can hear me talking over the generator, which is awesome. Electric start. Thing's just sweet. Still a decent amount of people rolling in for as muddy as it is. Everybody just wants to ride. Brandon made it. Get her all filled up, bud?
Yeah, she filled up, man.
Okay.
I need a lot of gas for that mud.
Looks
out
good to
there.
me. Yeah, might as well top off too. All right, guys, so this is my plan. This is what the AMA, being the ridiculousness that they are right now. If you don't know the story, we can't wear any cameras or anything attached to our helmet because of the stupid choices of a skier. Not even a skier. I think he was a Formula 1 guy that went skiing. So thanks to that, we can't wear anything on our helmet. You guys know I love the chin mount. The chin mount's always like the perfect setup. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work. It's the chest mount, and it is adjusted to be as high as possible, and I've got an extension arm on it, and we're going to try a few different ways. I'm basically going to use today to try to get the angle set up correctly, so when I get to Pro Sport next weekend, I'm good to go and can film the motos for you guys. You guys can watch me chilling in the back of the pack. So I don't know, we'll see how this works. Getting ready to go out for a session now. It's probably gonna be muddy. Hopefully I can remember to wipe the lens, the old wipe, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. You're not going out now, are you?
You're not going out? We're going out about halfway.
Halfway through?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Looking pretty
greasy.
Looking kind of greasy out there. I mean, I wouldn't go out too soon. All right, guys. This is the face of a man that makes bad decisions.
Yeah,
Decided
your fault. You had me come down here.
Decided to go out for the first practice, and needless to say, the track's not quite ran in yet. Did you get any good footage?
No.
No?
Absolutely not.
Oh God.
That sucks.
Mother Nature, bro.
Yeah.
Sometimes nothing you can do.
Well, you got it.
Definitely feel the helmet hitting my visor. Alright guys, well this trip has been an absolute disaster. Nobody had any idea it was going to rain this much. The crew here at Tri-State did everything they could to make the track rideable, and it got rideable. It got good. And here I am thinking the next practice, it's going to be, you know, it's going to be pretty good for all the rain we got. And obviously then it just starts pouring the rain. It's been pouring the rain for another half hour. Everything's soaked. Krista made a last second decision to go out on my bike, and she got, you know, one session, got stuck in the mud, had to be pulled out. Just a mess. Didn't get to get any drone shots, didn't get to get any RC cars, didn't get to do any live streams. But the weekend wasn't a total loss, because we realized things we need in the camper, things we need to do to be more comfortable next weekend on our 4-day trip to Pro Sport for the qualifier. So luckily, thanks to Tyler Lusk, who showed up and didn't ride, but has been helping us load everything up.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, we're less filming, more doing.
Oh, buddy. Filming pays the bills.
Get out of here.